And hello everyone, welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Loganathan and this video regarding again the job notification from the Tata Memorial Hospital. So for checking this notification, you can go for that official website and many members having doubt how to apply for this job. So at the end of the video, I said how to apply for this post in detail. I said, and what is the website link that also I given in the video description. You can go and check it for the direct application process. And if so far not subscribe my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get my all video notification. So in this video, I'm going to say what is the total number of vacancy and what is the two different branches they announced the vacancy and who are eligible and what is the pay scale. Those everything I'll say in detail. So this is the PDF notification which is given by the Tata Memorial Center on the date of 17th 12 2021. They announced the notification. This is the completely and full-time vacancy and the permanent vacancy also. The two centers, that is a Homi Baba Cancer Hospital, Mahamna Bandit, Madam Mohan Malviya Cancer Center, Varanasi. So this is the place for the hospital. And the total vacancy for that total memorial center, around 175 vacancy for that nurses in the different category. There is a grade A, B and C. For the grade A, the total 19 vacancy and that caste wise segregation you can see, and the pay scale will be 7th along with that grade pay. So the total amount around 45,000 you'll get along with the allowance, and the age limit for this post is 30 years, and that caste wise relaxation also is available for this post. And regarding the eligible criteria, that GNM nursing and should have compulsory 1 year experience from that 50 bedded hospital, or if the post BSc, those members also need the same experience. And suppose if the person is completed the post BSc, and before the post BSc experience also will be considered. And if some members, those who are already worked in the Tata Memorial Center with a complete 5 years of experience, they will get that additional age relaxation for this post. And compulsory you need to have and the council registration. And regarding the working timing, 6 days per week and 1 day off will be given. And for that post nursing B, that is around 30 seats, and the pay matrix will be 7th pay scale and 47,600 rupees, and along with the allowance pay you will get, and the age limit is 35 years. And here somewhat is different for that working experience. That is, if suppose if you are on a GNM, the minimum 6 years clinical experience you should have in that 100 bedded hospital, or if suppose if you are post BSc or BS nursing, the same clinical experience are expected. And remaining the rest of the things are same as like a nursing grade A. And that grade C, total on 55 seats they given, and the pay matrix will be ninth pay scale, that is around 53,000, and allowance pay you will get, and 40 years or age limit. And here the clinical experience is different. Suppose if you are general nursing in the diploma in oncology nursing and 12 years of experience in the 100 bedded hospital, and suppose if you are BSc or post BSc, the same clinical experience are expected. And regarding that working timing are same as like a before things. And the last date for applying this post is an 8 January 2022. And after filling the application, you need to take that hard copy as a print. After filling that application in the online, you need to take the print, and that should reach that Tata Memorial Health Center before 15th January 2022. So this is the postal address. This is the postal address you need to send your filled application. And regarding that, some more additional criteria, you can check the PDF file for that document copy which you need to attach. during the time of an exam time. So here the first you will be called for that interview, then eligible candidate will be called for the written exam and the skill test. So this is the process. And regarding that age wise relaxation, the same central government vacancy, the age relaxation is applicable for the SC 5 years and OBC 3 years and economically weaker section or BWBD 10 years, and that ex-army mean 3 years. The age relaxation will be available for this post. And regarding that application fee, that is at 300 rupees for that general candidate, and the SC/ST candidate will be free with the free of cost. You can apply. So these are the basic things you need to see before applying for this post. And how you can apply for this post mean directly go for that tmc.gov.in, and you can go for that TMC column and scroll down, and you can see that application number along with that the notification detail, that is Varanasi 2021-006. So this is that notification detail, and the last date is in 8th, and you can go for that view. So when you're giving the view, the application filling column will open, depends upon the grade A, B and C. Yeah. So this is that complete application web page. You can go for that online application form. So depends upon that grade A, B and C. Based on your eligibility, you can go for the application filling. After filling the application, you need to take the print and you need to send back the application to the necessary given address. So that's all about the Tata Memorial Center vacancy. And if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment box, and we'll see in the next video. Thank you everyone.